At Spaulding, we basically deal with every kind of disability, any kind of injury or disability that would need rehab.
This is an acute inpatient rehabilitation facility. About 850 people work at this hospital. If you have the wonderful opportunity to be designing a new hospital, or even if you're in the position of replacing elements of an older hospital, it's important to put as much attention into every element of your new design as possible, including the floor.
You can't just throw down any floor, because not all floors work well for wheelchair wheels or a walker.
I think when you're buying a floor or any type of a material, particularly for a new building, every material looks good on day one and probably in month one and month two. But when you look down the road, you want to be thinking long term, and you want to be able to come back to that same building after a year of abuse and constant use and make sure that that product still withstands the daily pressures and still looks good over time.
I think that the design, the actual design pattern of the floor works so beautifully for therapists working with patients so that they can see exactly how far a patient is traveling down the hallway.
Nora flooring has a little bit of a give to it. It makes it easier for staff and a little bit more ergonomically friendly for them to be on their feet and be moving around all day on a surface that has a little bit more of a comfort factor to it.
They have noticed that there's more comfort during the day, and they've really noticed the decrease in noise. The acoustics are amazing. There can be 50 patients and 50 therapists, but still the building works so that the patients and therapists hear each other without a lot of distracting noise.
In addition to that, it's allowed us to meet our goals of being a LEED certified building and being a green and sustainable building without making some of the sacrifices that people have traditionally thought of when they thought of going green or green products. The maintenance is minimal, and it accomplishes our goals and our commitment to the neighborhood at the same time. So it's been a win-win for us.
We've been very satisfied with Nora. It has met all of our expectations in terms of comfort, in terms of look, in terms of ease in cleaning. This rubber-based flooring is non-skid, so it really does contribute to the safety of our patient care.
It makes the environment safer for all people. It always looks clean. I think the thing about this flooring is you really don't think about it because it works so beautifully. It's kind of a no-worry floor.